hope it's not on fire. What is good, guys? Welcome back. If you heard from our previous video with the NA, this blow-off valve is super tight, so we're just going to be loosening it real quick. I adjusted it just because I thought it wasn't holding boost pressure, but now that I look at it, this is kind of OD, so we're just going to back off this locking nut and then back off the adjuster and it'll come out. They're both 10 millimeters. There you go. Locking nut is loose. Now take our ratcheting wrench and loosen the actual blow off. That should be good. So now take the locking nut. It's the second one. I'll just thread that all the way down. Then we'll just butt it up against the top of this. Do it tight, but not too tight. It should be good. Yeah, now we should hopefully be relieving boost pressure efficiently. And yeah, we'll be installing a turbo blanket. Shout out to my boy Chris. Gave me a super hookup on that for the free. Should help with temperatures in the bay, keep all the heat in the turbo and not all around in the brakes and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll probably do that in the sunlight though. What is good, guys? Welcome back. If you're wondering why I have black gloves and a ski mask, I'm not doing a heist. I'm installing this turbo blanket and it has a fiberglass on it, so in order to protect like my airways, my skin from getting all itchy and irritated, we have a bunch of protective clothing on. Oh yeah, you can already see there's like fiberglass particles all over. So yeah, this stuff gets super itchy. And yeah, it's a 225 turbo blanket, and we'll just be throwing it on. Hopefully help with heat management, and hopefully this doesn't catch on fire. I mean, I keep a fire extinguisher in the car as always, but you never know. So here it is, the turbo blanket. Once again, shout out to you, Chris. Thank you so much. It was a little bit difficult figuring it out, but it's good. There's the wastegate. There's space for it to pass. It doesn't interfere with anything. And it's on there pretty good. Wraps around pretty good. I might just adjust it a little bit, you know, but fit pretty alright. Am I scared it might catch fire? Of course, but we do carry a fire extinguisher in the car, so God forbid I have to use it, we have it. The NA is starting to become more reliable. We'll be able to use it more POVs. And yeah, I love this car, man. It's super fun to drive. It sounds so good. Fingers crossed that nothing happens because of I've heard horror stories of these catching on fire, but hopefully we should be good.
The next day.
I hope it's not on fire. I really hope not. Shit's smoking kind of good. You can see all the glitter all around the engine bay on the manifold. That's all the fiberglass. See it all over here. It didn't smoke on the way home after I took that clip. Blow off is working good. You saw we adjusted that earlier in this video. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's not worth to keep it on. But yeah, I also fixed it a little bit so it kind of covers more of the turbo. So yeah, that's the update for now. Hopefully this shit doesn't catch fire. I'm really scared of that. So we'll definitely clean this with some like brake clean and tighten it again, and should be good. Hold my hand over here, don't really feel anything. Once I put it there, it's super hot. So I mean, it is suppressing heat, but we'll see. Might not be worth it to keep it. You know, worst comes to worst, we can always just take it off. But I think that'll do it for this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. I'll update you on this turbo blanket. You guys can follow me on Instagram to stay updated with what I do with the cars. It's usually where I post it first. But yes, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for almost 300 followers, subscribers. We are at 290. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one. Toge was a bust.
Oh, you can use your phone. The newest one. Mr. 15.
I don't have it.